SodaStream is the leader of home-based beverage dispensing systems. However, some of the best SodaStream alternatives are now available from brands like DrinkMate, KitchenAid, just to name a couple. Being aware of the best SodaStream maker alternatives makes it easy for you to know the options available as you set out to sip sparkling water or soda from the comfort of your home or office. We've researched and discovered the 9 top-rated SodaStream alternatives, as well as the 2 worst you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshnss.com reviews of the 9 best SodaStream alternative, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the DrinkMate Carbonated Soda Maker with 3-ounce cylinder. This soda maker is one of the best SodaStream alternatives, and there is a reason why. Whereas with even the best SodaStream model, you have to begin by carbonating water first, the DrinkMate allows you to directly turn any beverage into a fizzy drink. From water, tea, coffee, juices, wine, beer, a flat, soda, lemonade, and so on. If you like to get creative when making your beverages, you'll definitely have fun with the DrinkMate Carbonated Soda Maker. The DrinkMate Carbonated Soda Maker with 3-ounce cylinder has a fizz infuser, which allows you to control the carbonation level of your beverage. The product has an elegant design and is available in 3 colors. It's easy to clean and use, plus it requires no batteries or electricity to operate. It will also not take up a lot of space in your kitchen because of its compact design. Comparing DrinkMate versus SodaStream reveals that this is a high quality and versatile machine that actually edges out many of the top SodaStream options. And, fun fact, you can use SodaStream CO2 carbonators with this DrinkMate machine. Coming in at number 2, the KitchenAid Sparkling Beverage Maker. The manufacturer of this beverage maker, KitchenAid, are one of the largest and oldest makers of home appliances in the world. So if you are looking for a quality product, you can be sure that they offer a top-notch appliance. The housing of this soda maker is made of die cast, which makes it durable. The material also makes it easy to clean. This KitchenAid sparkling water maker is also very easy to use. Simply fill your bottle with fresh water. Place it on the machine and you're good to go. The machine's carbonating lever allows you to fizz up your drink to your desired level of carbonation. Should you buy the KitchenAid sparkling beverage maker, it will come along with a 60-liter CO2 tank and a free 1-liter BPA reusable bottle. When you compare this soda maker kit by KitchenAid versus SodaStream starter kits, you will find that this is a bigger carbonator than comes with most SodaStream kits. Usually you get a rebate for a 60-liter, but it doesn't come standard. This soda maker may cost you a little bit more than other products on the market. However, it should add up to be worth the price if you're looking to enjoy your own sparkling water at home for the long term. Coming in at number 3, the Premium Carbonator Sparkling Water Maker by Aarke. If you're looking to buy a premium sparkling water maker, this would be a good choice for you. Made from stainless steel, this sparkling water maker has an elegant design. It would look and be a great addition to your kitchen. It is a small and compact appliance that won't take up much space on your kitchen countertop. Premium Carbonator Sparkling Water Maker by Aarke would also be a perfect gift to buy for a loved one on their birthday or as a holiday gift. It requires no electricity or battery to work, as like many SodaStream models, it requires manual action to carbonate your water. Actually, you can use it immediately after you unpack it because it doesn't require an additional power source at all. Also, because of its size, it is portable, so you can carry it along to make drinks on the go. For all these premium features, be prepared to pay a little bit more for it. The appliance comes with 1 carbonator, 1 peat bottle, which is non-toxic and also includes a user manual. Ultimately, this is the best Aarke carbonator on the market if you're looking for a top-of-the-line sparkling water maker. Coming in at number 4, the Home Soda Maker Kit Easy-to-Use Sparkling Carbonator Seltzer Beverage Maker by SodaSparkle. The SodaSparkle Home Soda Maker, which is white in color, comes with a whopping 5 CO2 soda chargers and a 1-liter bottle. Its all-inclusive starter pack enables you to start making sparkling water at home in no time and for a long time once the product is delivered. Simply fill water in the bottle it comes with. Insert the CO2 charger into the machine and turn the top. Within seconds, you will turn your flat tap water into refreshing soda water. This home soda maker kit, easy to use sparkling Carbonator Seltzer beverage maker by SodaSparkle is small, meaning you can carry it to parties and to picnics. You'll definitely be the life of the party if you buy this one. If you're looking to cut down on the amount of money you spend buying bottled water and soda or sparkling seltzer water, this product will help you do that quite well. Coming in at number 5, the Soda Dispenser Bottle Cap by Spotted Dog Company. Have you ever opened a soda or a carbonated beverage and didn't finish it in one setting? It goes flat in no time. With this model, the next time you have a flat soda, you won't need to worry. You can effectively recarbonate your soda. The Soda Dispenser bottle uses CO2 to do just that, directly on the flat beverage bottle. However, you may have to buy the CO2 carbonator as it doesn't come with this product. You will have to buy it separately. The Soda Dispenser bottle only comes with a mini regulator, dispense cap, tubing, and picnic faucet. With this Soda Dispenser Bottle Cap by Spotted Dog Company, you can buy 2 little soda bottles and not worry about getting flat. Buying the bigger bottle will save you some money compared to buying soda cans. That is good enough reason to buy this simple but very useful carbonation maker. Coming in at number 6, the ISI Stainless Steel Soda Siphon. If you don't have a lot of space on your kitchen countertop for another appliance, you might want to look at this popular soda siphon. This machine is made of stainless steel and is manufactured to the highest quality with a sleek aesthetic design. The soda siphon uses ISI CO2 carbonators to carbonate bottled or tap water. It has a safety feature which prevents overfilling and controls pressure as it carbonates. One difference to note between a sparkling water maker and a soda siphon: the soda siphon will take slightly longer to finish the carbonation process. ISI stainless steel soda siphon, however, does come at a lower upfront cost. They are portable and are perfect for cocktail parties. If your plan is to create fizzy cocktail drinks, the siphon might be the perfect pick for your home bar. If you don't have a problem getting a smaller machine, this would be a perfect choice. The machine is the best SodaStream alternative by ISI and comes with a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer. Coming in at number 7, the Soda Siphon Ultimate Soda Maker by Innovee Home. This is yet another reliable soda siphon option. As stated before, these are smaller units which are perfect if you have limited space on your countertop or wish to take it on the go. The Soda Siphon Ultimate Soda Maker by Innovee Home is made from aluminum, which makes it light. It is fitted with a pressure regulator and has a threaded lid which makes it safe to use. You can only carbonate water in this unit. If you want flavored soda, carbonate your water first and then add a SodaStream flavor or alternative flavor source. This siphon holds 1 liter of water and is easy to clean. Since it can only be used with water, rinsing it after use should be fast. To carbonate, the product uses standard 8-gram individual CO2 chargers. These don't come with it, and they are bought separately. This Innovee soda maker will be a great addition to your kitchen or bar. To make it fun for you when you buy it, the manufacturer will include a cocktail recipe guide and instruction on how to use it. So you can look forward to making those cocktails with a friend or family when this is shipped to you. Coming in at number 8, the Professional Soda Siphon and Seltzer Water Maker by Impeccable Culinary Objects. This would be the perfect gift for a mixologist or anyone who enjoys mixing drinks. This soda siphon comes with a cocktail recipe book with 8 types of drinks you can make with the product. The product comes with detailed instructions on how to use. Professional Soda Siphon and Seltzer Water Maker by Impeccable Culinary Objects uses 8 CO2 cartridges from any of the widely available brands. Once you carbonate it, your drinks will stay in the bottle for 2 weeks. You just have to shake the soda siphon in between reuse for the best results. This silver soda siphon is easy to clean and use. Note, you can use a dishwasher to clean it. Save yourself money and begin making your own soda water with this carbonator. Coming in at number 9, the Soda Siphon Maker by Baskiss. The Professional Soda Siphon and Seltzer Water Maker by Impeccable Objects is creative to the eye. Made from solid aluminum, this item is stylish and makes the best seltzers. The interior of this 1-liter siphon is lined with epoxy resin. This prevents your soda water from coming in contact with the aluminum. To make your soda water, you will use 8-gram CO2 cartridges. These, however, don't come with this product by Baskiss. You need to order them separately. The machine is compatible with any kind of 8-gram CO2 cartridges, so buying them shouldn't be a problem. The manufacturer recommends that you only carbonate water on this soda siphon. Trying to do so with other liquids may not give you the desired results or damage the product. The siphon comes with an owner's manual, which allows you to go through this instruction to learn how to use and clean this product. Cleaning and using it should, however, be simple and easy. And now, those to avoid. The Home Sparkling Beverage System by Bonne. The Bonne comes at a higher price than other soda makers. It is not the most expensive, but you can get better products to carbonate your drinks at lower prices. The item doesn't use carbonated cylinders. It has its own Carbonator tablets. One of these can be used once in Carbonators on a 750 milliliter bottle. This Carbonator is, however, also expensive, so you'll have to spend quite a bit once they run out. The professional soda, the Bonne, needs to be powered to work. So if you don't have an extra outlet, it may be inconveniencing always plugging other appliances out to get a source to power it. The carbonation process is also longer. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to fully carbonate. On the plus side, this item allows you to sparkle water, teas, wine, fruit, and a wide range of other stuff. The cost, however, of using it are a bit too much, and you should avoid this SodaStream alternative. And the next to avoid, the Cuisinart Sparkling Beverage Maker. There is limited info on this soda maker, but what we gathered so far is that the Cuisinart Sparkling Beverage Maker is an expensive product to use. Those who have bought it say it doesn't save them any money. The cost of the cartridges needed to carbonate drinks is expensive. It would be cheaper to get your soft drinks at the local store. For that reason, it's considered the worst SodaStream alternative on the market. And now, for the final thoughts on buying the best SodaStream alternative. The best SodaStream alternatives are affordable, durable, and efficient, much like many of the SodaStream options themselves on the market. However, it is great to understand the full spectrum of choices before selecting a home-based carbonation machine. With so many excellent soda siphons and sparkling water makers around, your family or coworkers will be enjoying fizzy drinks for years to come.